Go.
New weather bike. New dreams. Rainstorm. New weather bike.
Okay lang, same na yan. O, game. Next na. Quiet, quiet.
Tom rides his new bike with both hands on the handlebars and with his helmet on. Tom rides up and down and around in a circles. He zooms down the hill. Down a curve and back up.
Next page. Gia, wag mong guluhin si Kuya.
Then he swipes the
Sweeps?
he sweeps down to Sam's house. Knock knock. No Sam. No bike.
What?
Hugas sa tabi.
Quiet. Nagbabasa si Ethan. Mamaya na.
Tom looks around the house
Hmm.
and under it. He looks up, behind and all around. No Sam and no bike. But then, dot dot dot. Whiz! Sam rides around in circles, up and down. Wait. He's waiting. Then stops. Tom.
He's lying to left.
Tom takes turns with Sam. They each go up across, down, riding away, and then back until Sam finds where a new bike and helmet.
Even by the...
Even by the parents.
The end.
The end.
Approve.
But what is this sign? Have you? Have you?
Approve daw, Ethan. Cheese.
Can I watch now?
Yes, cheese.